Body Shop has all the gear you'll need.
Service technician with top brands like Komatsu and Bowman.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to not so beautiful Whistler, because they don't have any snow. There's a couple of runs open. It's a mild little dusting right now. Hopefully over the course of the next month they actually do get some snow. I've never seen it this bad so early. Well, at least the conditions on that one run are good. Not bad considering I haven't been riding for over a year. So for the first run, just getting warmed up. First few runs, at least the snow is decent. So we'll check back in a little bit. All right, did a couple hours on the race board. Now the weather's starting to move in, so visibility's declining, and the few runs that are open are starting to get chewed up. So just gonna go change onto the freestyle board to do a few more runs. I've got some new boots I gotta try out, and that'll be it for today at Whistler, since not much going on up here with no snow. So let's go get changed up and we'll head back up the hill. Alrighty, so switched up to the soft boot setup and my brand new boots. So just gonna do a couple laps and get comfortable with these new boots and see how they feel. Alright, that's it for today. The new boots for the freestyle board were okay, so that'll be good for the rest of the season. Hopefully some snow starts to fly soon, because it's pretty dismal even up here in Whistler with just a few runs open up top. The snow's getting scraped away pretty quick. So yeah, let's pray to the snow gods that we get some more big dumps. And otherwise we'll just head down to the bottom, pack up, and head back to the city. And it's supposed to start snowing, so hopefully I beat that. Otherwise, stay tuned guys for more riding for the rest of this winter. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.